Yeah, I'll never wait. I look on my life, I look on my dreams, I won't hesitate. Since I was 13, I always believed, cause I never wait.
What's good, y'all? Rascal here, and welcome to another Motovlog. And today I got no destination once again. And so I'm just kind of riding around, just kind of got out. It's a good day, some good weather. Not gonna lie, some of y'all's comments really hyped me up, made me want to go out and ride today. So that's the reason I'm coming out. Damn, okay, this dude got a fat tire in the back, man.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
What's up, man? Shit clean. Guys, it's crazy reading y'all's comments and seeing how a few of you actually live pretty close to me. Either I see them on YouTube or on TikTok, and it's insane because I haven't told anybody that I make videos for YouTube or TikTok and any of that nature. It's crazy to me. It's just crazy. Everybody just thinks I got a GoPro just so I can film us doing dumb stuff or funny stuff or whatever, and that is the case, but nobody actually knows I upload it for the world to see. So it's crazy how some of y'all near me actually see it. Hello, dude has such a shocked look on his face. He's like, what? You're saying hi to me? To me? Yeah, you, buddy, yeah, you. That's right. That's right, little dude. Here we go, this is it, this is it. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! That's how you do it, boys! Watch, it's gonna be green by the time I get there. I don't even have to stop. I don't have to stop. The floor is lava. 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 Oh! Damn! Oh, that's embarrassing. Made it, not even close. Made it, not even close. I ain't gonna make this one though. I am not gonna make this one. Actually, you know what? I could just cut through downtown. And the road looks like it's been fixed. So this would be a nice ride. Oh! Oh! It's so smooth! That's how you do it. That is how you do it. This is not the way I wanted to go. God, where am I headed? I'm going the complete opposite way. What's that, dude? Oh, wow, I don't know if you noticed me or not. Was that a GoPro on his head, or did he just look like a Teletubby? Well, guys, that's pretty much going to cut it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all leave a like down below and subscribe. Hit me up on my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. We can all talk. And it's issaRascal, guys. Later.
Y'all thinking I'ma fall off? I'm Thomas the Engine. 2 seconds, you get your rocks off. That's right, I said you're awesome.